In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Brave browser. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Brave browser GitHub page. Then I will click on the release here. And then I will scroll down a bit because I'm looking for a specific installation file, and that's this one right here. Brave browser standalone silent setup. I will click on it and the download should start. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on it. Then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And here I have my installation file for Brave browser and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package and it opens up with NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools. Then I will click on add existing file and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Then I will double click on Chocolatey install and on this edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet. And because Brave browser is a type of software that needs to be installed under the user account, and also the installation needs to be executed by the user, instead of executing the installation, the snippet will set up active setup so that the installation will be executed for each user on the computer during the logon process. And I will copy this snippet by clicking on the button right here. Then I will go to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, I need to provide the installation file name right here. So I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again, and I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. And that's all the modifications that we need to do for this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For the ID, I will enter Brave browser. Then for the version number, I will enter 120.1.61.109. At least I think that this is the correct version number for this installation file. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation, and for the description, I will enter Brave browser Choco package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill. Now I'll save the information by clicking on the save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. So let's click on Save, and then I will go back to my Downloads folder and wait for the package to be generated. And now that I have my Brave browser Chocolatey package, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to VMware Workstation because here I have the virtual machine on which I will be installing this package. And I will be placing the package inside of the downloads folder. And now that we have the package here, we can try to install it. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator. Then here I will type choco install. Then we need to provide the package ID, and you can find it here in the NuGet package explorer, Brave browser. So let's enter Brave browser. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide the Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu and open up the registry editor, we can go to local machine, software, Microsoft, active setup, installed components, and we have run Brave here. And as you can see here, we have the registry entry that will be executed during the logon for each user on the computer. And this will set up run once to execute the Brave browser installation. And this will happen once for each user on the computer, even for the users that we'll create in the future on this computer. So now let's try to trigger this registry key by closing everything here and signing out from the admin user. Then let's sign back in. Then I will try to open the task manager to see if we can find the installation processes. And it seems I cannot find it. Oh, here it is. That means that we need to wait a bit more. And the installation seems to be over. I can see my desktop shortcut for Brave browser here. I will try to open it. And it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.